Here is a pair of Sony earbuds. Model number is WF-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. This Android phone I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put this in pairing mode, okay? Make sure both buds are in, close the lid. Wait till the light here turns off. Give it a few seconds here. Okay, lights are off. Now, in order to put this in pairing mode, we want to open the lid and then press and hold this button and keep holding until the light here starts flashing blue, and then we're going to let go, okay? So let's do it together. Open it up, find that button, press and hold, and keep holding that button until we get a blue blinking light, okay? I'm still holding onto that button. There's blue, let go. Blue blinking light, now it's in pairing mode, okay? Now we're going to go to our Android phone here, and you want to go to your Bluetooth settings, so just go to settings. And on this phone here, I'm going to go to connections. Bluetooth is right there. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'm going to tap on Bluetooth. And now I see the spinning thing here. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it should show up under here, under available devices. Okay, so these are all the things in pairing mode near me right now. And we do see the Sony earbuds is still in the pairing mode, and it shows up right here. So from here, all we got to do is tap on that. We will get a pairing request. Let's tap on pair. Just give it 1 second, and then you can see right up here it says connected for calls with 95% battery juice remaining on here. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.